What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a short ride and review for you today. I'm heading to a brand new pizza joint called Saint Pizza. It's on Avenue B and I think like 13th, like right between 13th and 14th, right up by 14th. Meeting the cake dealer there. Try a few slices, give it a shot. Coming up on Avenue B right now. I'm on 3rd Street. Am I on 3rd Street or 2nd? I don't even know. I'm gonna take this right and make my way up there. So I don't know much about this pizza place, but I did see some photos of it on Instagram and it looked excellent. So I'm excited to try it. So just crossed 11th Street. I know this pizza joint it's gonna be up here on the right. And yeah, I can see it. I can see it up ahead. There's some nice bars over here too. I gotta hit some of the bars. All right, here it is, Saint Pizza. Oh, they got a little outdoor area too. Nice. Look at that. No flop. No flop on that.
Oh, can I also, sorry, can I also do a
What's so funny? All right, so Saint Pizza. The fresh mozz slice was pretty good. I think that square one that had like the arugula and the burrata on it was definitely the better slice. Really airy dough, crispy. I definitely want to go back there and try. They have like lasagna and a bunch of other really interesting pies. And I want to try the regular slice. The fresh mozzarella that I got is, you know, sometimes those are hit and miss at pizza joints. So I like to try the regular slice next time. I didn't see it until after I ordered it. So jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for all the pictures, the full write-up, the full review. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your fucking grandma.